Hi guys, today I'm making a super drink that helps you to remove acne. All you will need is pineapple, radish and spinach. Spinach contains antioxidants that fight against all types of skin problems. Add it to your everyday diet and see what happens. By eating spinach, you're just cleaning your skin from the inside out. Pineapple can improve your skin texture, reduce sunspots and reduce acne symptoms. It is also effective in speeding up the skin's healing process and removing dead skin cells. The vitamin C in radishes along with zinc and phosphorus can help you fight skin dryness, acne and rashes. Drink this every day and this will surely help you to fight with your acne symptoms. Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next video.